Alright, so in my last video, I introduced us to this top firm platform, Klein Funding, and I also told us everything about it and whether it's worth it or not. So if you've not watched that video, please do well to go to my channel, Blockchainplus, and watch that video. It's very, very important so that you can understand everything about Klein Funding before you even dive into it. So make sure you watch that video, because in this particular video, I want to show you how you can register your account and then buy a particular challenge account for yourself. You understand? So that is just what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you are welcome to Blockchainplus. In this place, we make crypto simple and profitable for everyone. Now, I will want to advise you to stick from the beginning of this video to the end, especially if you're interested in passing a prop firm challenge. If you've been trying and failing with no real result, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, because somewhere in this video I'll be showing you, or I'll be telling you how you can pass a prop firm challenge with ease. All right, so with that said, let's dive into the video of today. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon so that you will stay updated whenever I drop valuable videos like this. So to get your account started on Klein Funding, if you look at this place, there is no registration. We just have start now and login. So first of all, you have to register your account, right? You can just click on this login right here. So if you click on login, you're going to see login and register. Okay, so click on registration right there. So I'm going to register an account for one of my students who wanted me to help him register an account. So I'm just going to fill up all of these details. So this is what you're going to do if this is your first time. If you have an email, an official Google account that you use for your personal things, you can just go ahead and sign up with Google. But if you don't want to use that, please just use or fill up these places and then continue. So I'm just going to put his name, his first name, last name, and email address, password, and then we continue. All right, so immediately I put the details like I showed you. You can see it says welcome. You don't have any account yet. Create your first account to start trading. So we just registered the account, but we don't have anything right here. We've not bought any challenge account. So on your dashboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see dashboard, accounts, orders, withdrawals, leaderboard, inventories, and all of that. So the most important thing you want here is to buy an account, right? So you're going to click on this add new account right here. You can click here, or you click on challenges. Whichever one you click is going to work the same thing. So if you watched the last video, you understand that I told us that I prefer Bybit, which is the standard account, not Clio. This Clio is for those who are trading with Binance. So you can see right here, we have Bybit here and Binance right there. So if I switch to this one, you can see this is the Binance interface. This is it right here. The other one is Bybit interface. So you can see start challenge, real Binance data, no stability rules, daily payout, 90% profit. So that is the one of Clio, right? So if I switch over to Bybit, you can see, okay, let me just go to this one. You can see Binance data, Clio platform. Meanwhile, Bybit is the standard platform. You can see Bybit powered. So whichever one, but I told you guys that I would prefer us using the Bybit platform. So let me just go back again to this place, and then we choose our account, right? So you can see the account, we are still logged in. You can see the name right there. So let's go to the account. I also told us we prefer Bybit, two-step challenge, depending on whichever one you want. And then I also showed us how you can customize your challenge. So here I'm going to choose you can choose it here. You can also choose it from your dashboard. Well, let me just show us here real quick. I'm going to choose here 4% drawdown. When you choose 8%, when you choose 8% here automatically will go to 4%. and then target fees is 8% and 4%, which is really, really cool because the percentage target, profit target is not much. You can see right here is $60. So I'll click on start now. Now when I click on start now, you can see because I chose Bybit, we are on Bybit. This is the Clio and this is the Bybit. So the Bybit has three platform, 1, 2, 3. The Clio has just 2, 1, 2. So we are going to go to this. We are going to choose 2-step, and then it's $5,000 account static. We are choosing 8% drawdown, and then we are choosing 80% payout, right? So now the next thing now is your payment method. So this platform can also pay you out with crypto. You can pay out with crypto, which is what I recommend for any person to use. So we are going to go with this one, this crypto, pay with crypto. This one is pay with credit card. You can see it here, all bank and credit card. This one, faster payment with crypto. So that's what we are going to use. So I'm just going to apply a discount code and let's see. So this discount code worked. So I'm just going to use this. Then I'll place order. Let me click on place order. Okay, but I've not checked this, so you have to check the terms and conditions. Then I'll click on place order. Now here I'm going to put my phone number and date of birth and every other thing. So all right, so now after clicking save and place order, you can see we came to this platform. So this is where you make your payment. Now there are ways you can use here, but just use this particular one I'm going to show you. So I will be using USDT. You can make use of USDT, you can make use of USDC. I just prefer using those two because it's stable, right? It's stable. So I'll just use USDT. I'll select USDT. Then the next thing you want to do is to select the network. So you can see Tron is high. Tron is very high. From $51 to $55. Ethereum is low, 51.0 something. Solana is 51.3. Arbitrum. So you choose the one you want to use. So basically, I usually like to use Optimism or BNB. So let me go with Optimism. Now, once I click on Optimism, you can see it generated wallet address for me. So if you have the money on their platform, you can pay from the wallet in their platform. But if you don't have the money there and you have it in your own, maybe you have it in Bybit, Binance, or wherever you have it, you just have to make the payment from that platform. You get from wherever you have it, and then it's going to come here. Now also pay attention to this. It says invoice expires in 2 hours. Let's just say 2 hours, right? So this is, you can either copy this or use QR code. So I'm just going to switch to this QR code right now, and then I'm going to make payment using that QR code. So let me just make payment. Now before I make payment, one thing you must also understand that you must make sure you pay exactly this amount of money that is here, no more, no less, because this is auto-generated, you get. So make sure it's exactly what you have here that you're making payment of. So I'm just going to type it right now, 51.014.027. So 51.014. So of course they're going to charge me fee from my own platform. You understand? So I'm going to click on pay right now, and also make sure that before you pay, you cross-check the network, everything is matching. So I wanted to use Optimism before, but the charges for my Bybit account is higher, so I had to switch to BNB Smart Chain, which the charges is lower. You understand? So make sure the network you are using corresponds with what you have here, and make sure that this address corresponds as well with what you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and make payment. So the payment has been sent. So that is exactly what you need to do. Once you make payment, the next thing is for you to wait for them to verify your payment. Once they verify your payment, you're going to see this account on your own dashboard. So I'm just going to give it a little more time to see if it's going to appear, if it's going to authenticate, and then I'll also check the dashboard, my dashboard. Once it appears, I'm going to show you my dashboard so that you will see the account on the dashboard. Okay, so you can see right there, you can see confirming is confirming is confirming because I sent the money. Receive notification. Okay, so let's see, let's put an email for notification. Okay, before I could even type the email, it has sent. Okay, so this is exactly how we make payments. Everything is done. So we can go back to merchant site and see the account right there. So right now account is ready. You can see account is ready. Now all you have to do is set up your account and start trading. So that is the next thing we need to do. We already purchased the account. So next thing for us to do is to set up the account and start trading. So for us to set up our account and start trading, we need to click on account or click on dashboard. So let me just click on account. If you click on account, you're going to see the account. You can see it right here. It says waiting, setup. Or you click on dashboard, you're also going to see the account. So let's set up your account, API key and API secret. So these are the two things you're going to use to link your account to Bybit. Now, your API key and your API secret you're getting from Bybit are read only. You understand? You cannot withdraw, you cannot do anything just for them to read your Bybit. Make sure it is set on read only. You get? So once you get your API key and secret key, you paste it here and then you click on continue and you're going to set it up. So I'm going to stop this video right here and we'll be done for this video because I don't want it to be too long. I'm just going to stop it and then set up the account for the person. But if you want me to show you how to get your API key and API secret, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to do that in a separate video for you so that you understand how to do it. Now, I promised that I was going to show us or tell us how to pass this challenge with ease. If you stayed up to this point, congratulations, because you are the one that will be getting those information. And they said information is key. So for you to be able to pass this challenge, I've decided to do something for us in my community. Although it's not free, but it is worth it. Why? Because when you pass this challenge, you're going to be making a lot of money. And you're also going to be making a lot of money from that community. So the first step first is to go to my channel. I hope you registered. You clicked on my link. I use my link to register for Klein Funding. Then go back to the channel, search for Blockchainplus. The link. So go back to the channel. You're going to see the link to my Telegram. Use that link. In fact, let me show you. All right. So when you are on my channel like this, when you come down here, you can see this place that says more link. So you click on this place that says more link. You're going to see the Blockchainplus link. So let me just go down. You're going to see the Telegram community, this one. So click on this one to join my Telegram community. Now, when you join the Telegram community, that is our free community. I also give you signals and updates in that community. So make sure you join that community. Now, when you join that community, you will now have access to join our VIP trading group. In that VIP trading group, that is where I give you the strategies and everything you will need to pass your Klein Funding trading challenge. Now, the fee to join the VIP trading group is just 15,000 naira or $15 for a month. And once you pay that money, within that 1 month, you should be able to pass the challenge if you do everything just the way I will tell you to do it in the VIP trading room. So that is it. I believe you are able to use this information to join so that you can pass the challenge with ease. All right, guys, I believe this video has helped you to understand what to do going forward. I will see you in my next video, and until I come your way again, remain blessed.